Chochni nenre boma ma Goma ugwe ma piny Congo kama wachore ni kweth mar M23 koro kwako bomano. Jodak osiako dar ka wuok e bomano e seche ma jatend piny William Ruto ma en jatend riwruok pinje ma Afrika ma ugwe lero ni ne olalore gi jatend piny DRC Felix Tshisekedi kaachiel kod Paul Kagame ma piny Rwanda mondo mi kwe obedie. Bende kwayo riwruok pinje ma Afrika mondo kik ling' e seche ma jodak ma piny Congo kadho matek ka giluongo romo mar jotend Afrika ma ugwe mar manyo yo minyalo tiek godo lweny ma medo jimbore e piny Congo.
Even in the presence of United Nations peacekeeping troops with one of the most robust mandates of the United Nations. What I say to troop contributing countries, and this is very important because Rwanda itself is one of the UN's largest troop contributing countries, is that this crisis is not a DRC specific crisis. This should compel all troop contributing countries to engage in a robust conversations with the United Nations, with DPKO, on what it means to be a troop contributing countries. How is it permissible that a country, one of the largest troop contributing countries, gets away with killing peacekeepers, as peacekeepers from South Africa, Malawi, Uruguay were killed in less than 24 hours.
I call on the parties to the Luanda process on Eastern DRC and appeal specifically to my brothers, President Felix Tshisekedi and President Paul Kagame, both of whom I have had the occasion to speak to this evening, to heed the call for peace from the people of our region and the international community. We will be convening an extraordinary East African Community Summit within the next 48 hours to facilitate and to deliberate on this crisis and chart a way forward.